today's event with an acknowledgement of the land under our feet. This can be a powerful reminder of whose land we're standing on. I would like to respectfully acknowledge that we are gathering on the seized territory of the Lenape people. We pay respect to their elders, both past and present, who have been stewards of this land throughout many generations. This land is a part of an area called Lenapehoking. We call it Dobbs Ferry, but it has another name, Lenapehoking. Today we will explore the ways that we can carry on the traditions of the Lenape and other indigenous tribes to protect and show respect for our environment and the relationship in nature that keeps us all healthy. So today's all about respecting the earth and keeping all living things healthy, including ourselves. Sound good? Awesome.
Sound good.
So group one is going to go to the Three Sister Garden. 2 is going to waste. Group 3 is going to the pollinator.
So this is called a symbiotic relationship, which means different living things helping and depending on each other. And we're going to look at some pictures of symbiotic relationships and see if we can figure out what is going on. What do you want to do?
A pollinator, yes. What else does bees, butterflies? And what song were you singing?
Yellow Submarine by the Beatles, which are pollinators.
Yes.
We all live in a yellow submarine, a yellow submarine, a yellow submarine.
What you're going to do is act as a pollinator. So you're going to take out a piece of pollen from here, and then you match it with the color. Then you take out your salad or vegetable or fruit and you put it into the salad bowl, and we're going to make a salad.
That was really good. And you put all the stuff in the right place. Third grade, you can put the most amount of time. Oh, no. Third grade.